Okay, hello folks, we're back. So next item we're going to look at, it's called a gig bag, or a bag or a case, one of these for a guitar, to protect the guitar. So it's actually like a flexible guitar case. That's what they call gig bags. It's to store a guitar in. Now it could be used for either electric or acoustic guitars. This one happens to be for an acoustic guitar, and again it's made by ChromaCast. You can find this online, or you can find it, I don't know if you can find it in music stores, because it's a pretty low level item here. It's like these things are like almost given away. Anyway, so by saying that, not really meant to be used for traveling, like say on airlines and stuff where they throw stuff around, because it's made out of nylon, and real flimsy flexible nylon. But what I use it for is just when I store my guitars in the house or in the studio, the dust off of them, and it gives it a little bit of protection because it's waterproof. You can't spill anything on it. But like I said again, they're not meant to be, even taking the gigs and things like that, because they don't offer any kind of protections. They're really not padded, or if they are, they're just padded real thin. Yeah, it's just not even a pad. It's just the outside of the nylon bag, and it's a nylon bag, and that's it. And it's got a carrying handle on the top, and it doesn't even have any backpack straps on it like a lot of these bags do. Like I said, this is just a no frills bag, and like I said, the reason I bought them is because I had several guitars that I didn't have cases for, but they never really leave the studio. So I figured, well, while they're in the studio, at least I can cover them up and keep the dust off of them, or if I should accidentally spill something on them, they won't spill directly on the instrument. And it's got a zipper that you can put the guitar in. It doesn't have any additional pockets or anything like that. It's just the cover itself. So this one is for an acoustic guitar. They make them for electric guitars. This one happens to be for an acoustic guitar. Let me open up the zipper here. As you can see, the zipper goes all around the front here. So we open up the zipper. Stand this up so you can see. And then here is the guitar. So let's take it out. It's a pretty tight fit. They come in different sizes. Obviously this one fits an acoustic guitar, because that's the size I ordered for a regular sized acoustic guitar. So take it out here. You'll see as we take it out that it's a full size guitar that it has in here. Here's the guitar, and there's the bag. Let's put the guitar aside and take a look at the bag, which is the main thing that we're looking at here. So here's the bag. Like I said, it's a nylon bag. Nothing fancy about it. It's got the ChromaCast logo on there, as you can see. ChromaCast. It's got the zipper right here. That zips all the way around to there. You can zip it all the way around, and that closes it. And like I said, it's not really, see how flimsy it is? And there's no padding. But what these are meant to be used at is just basically to keep them, when you keep them in the house or whatever in your studio, they're meant to protect it against dust or spilling anything on it, or or like say if you're having lunch next to it, you don't want to get ketchup on it or anything like that. If you open up one of your little ketchup pouches and it splashes, it'll splash on this case and not on your guitar. And as you can see, I've had this laying around. I mean, it's got dust on it, and so I'd rather have the dust on here than on my instrument. So when I put my instrument in here, it keeps it nice and clean. Like I said, it comes in different sizes. And this one, they also come in sizes for electric guitars and electric guitars, as well as bass. bass guitars. There it is, a ChromaCast bag. And it's like the cheapest bag that you can find because it's got no pockets. It's just one thin coat of vinyl, you know, and that's all that covers your guitar. So you definitely don't want to take this and be banging it around, because I mean, it's gonna hit your instrument. It's just barely enough to keep the dust out, and tiny little pebbles or anything like that. But anything falls on it, if you drop it, this offers no protection. Hence, that's why it's so cheap. The price is so low. So, and I think it's perfect if you're just going to use it for around the house or around the studio. And that's what I use it for. And that's what it's meant to be used for. It's not meant to be anything else than that. Like if you wanted to buy a... Because that's why I originally bought it. I said, well, I really don't want to spend the money, buy a case for my guitar, because I really don't need it. I'm not even going to take it out of the house. So I need something cheap, economical, and that's going to do the job and basically just kind of keep the dust off of the guitar. When I put it away, I don't want, even when you put it away in the closet and stuff, it still gets dust. So you want to put it away, put this cover over it to keep the dust away from it, you know? And that's what it's good for, and that's what it's designed for, and nothing more. So let's see if we can put the guitar back in here. It's a pretty tight fitting bag, so sometimes it's a stretch putting the guitar in here. But let's see. There it is. Let's line everything up. Put it around the edges. It's in there. Here's the zipper. Let's line this up. Zipper it up. And there it is. Your ChromaCast guitar bag. Alright folks, have fun. See you next time.